Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going to meet some amazing slithering friends. Yes, snakes. So let's slide into the world of 20 incredible snakes for kids. Let's go! 1. King Cobra. This is a king cobra. It's the longest venomous snake in the world. It raises its head high and spreads a hood when it feels scared. It's powerful but shy and lives deep in the forest. Green tree python. This is a green tree python. Bright green and shiny, it loves to rest on tree branches. It curls itself like a spiral and blends in with the leaves. Such a perfect jungle sleeper. 3. Corn snake. This is a corn snake. It's orange with red spots, not scary at all. Corn snakes are friendly and help farmers by eating mice. They're often kept as cute pet snakes. 4. Ball python. This is a ball python. When it feels scared, it rolls up like a little ball. It's calm, gentle, and one of the most popular pet snakes in the world. Rattlesnake. This is a rattlesnake. It makes a rattling sound with its tail to say, "Stay away!" It lives in deserts and grasslands and uses its rattle to warn, not to fight. Boa constrictor. This is a boa constrictor. It's big and strong but not venomous. It hugs its food tightly to catch it. That's why it's called a constrictor. Black mamba. This is a black mamba. Fast and smart, it can move super quickly. It's one of the fastest snakes on Earth, but it likes to stay far from people. Anaconda. This is an anaconda. It's one of the heaviest snakes in the world. It lives in rivers and swamps and can swim like a water superhero. 9. Milk snake. This is a milk snake. Bright red, yellow, and black. It looks just like the coral snake, but don't worry, it's harmless and friendly. 10. Rosy boa. This is a rosy boa. It has soft pink and brown colors that look so gentle. It's small, slow, and likes to hide under rocks. 1. Garter snake. This is a garter snake, a small garden friend that helps by eating bugs and slugs. It's harmless and often seen after rain. Pond sea snake. This is a sea snake. It lives in the ocean and swims smoothly with its flat tail. It can hold its breath for a long time underwater. Meet hognose snake. This is a hognose snake. It has a cute upturned nose. When scared, it plays dead. So funny and clever. Bythrosin. Vine snake. This is a vine snake. Long and thin, it looks just like a vine hanging from a tree. It uses its green color to hide and surprise tiny insects. 5. Rainbow boa. This is a rainbow boa. Its scales shine with rainbow colors in the sunlight. So beautiful. It looks like it's wearing magical glitter. 16. Sand boa. This is a sand boa. It loves warm deserts and hides under sand. When it moves, it looks like the sand is alive. 17. Bush viper. This is a bush viper, covered in tiny scales that look like leaves. It hides in trees and shines in colors like green, orange, or yellow. Mamwa, cat-eyed snake. This is a cat-eyed snake. Its eyes glow like a cat's in the dark. It hunts at night and loves climbing small trees and bushes. Carpet python. This is a carpet python. Its skin has patterns like a colorful rug. It's calm and strong, and it helps keep nature balanced. See how cool! Wow, kids! We learned about 20 amazing snakes from around the world. Remember, snakes are part of nature's family too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild animal adventures. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.